Hello everyone, my name is Chetan and welcome to my channel English with CD. Today's Ielts topic is describe a long walk you ever had. And before we begin, please like, share and subscribe the channel and do press the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. So we'd like to start off with the vocabulary so as to you're clear about the words being used in the topic and the follow-up questions too. The first word is pragmatically, which means practically, seldom, less, shrine, a place of worship or object, initially in the beginning, vaguely, unclear, uphill and upward slope, hats off, it's a phrase which means admiration, embarrassed, feeling shameful, conquered, to win, ambrosia, it's basically a prasad that we get from temples or gurdwaras, fit like a fiddle, means you're very fit, no issues at all, busted, exposed, it's a word commonly used in political arenas, not your cup of tea, which we normally hear, a word which means, a phrase which means that it's something that you cannot do. Plethora, numerous, passionate, crazy or interested, rat-a-tat, phrase of pakran pakrai, a modern version of pakran pakrai, I'd say. Glued, stuck onto something, rejuvenate means to refresh, and voluntarily from own wish. So let's begin with the questions of part 2. When this happened, where you walked, who you were with, and explain how you felt about this walk. Pragmatically speaking, nowadays I feel walking has become a seldom activity, even though it's an activity which is considered best for health. It dates back more than a decade when me, along with my family members, first went to the holy shrine temple Vaishno Devi. Even before we had reached Katra, where the journey begins from, towards the temple, everyone had warned me that it is not your cup of tea. However, frankly speaking, I was all geared up and was thinking 10-kilometer walk, child's play. Initially, when we started for about 3 kilometers, it was all good. However, when we again started after a break, believe me, it must have been hardly 2 kilometers, what I vaguely remember, and it was like, oh my god, I can't do it. Honestly speaking, I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw a couple of around 70 years walking uphill with all the enthusiasm and energy. Big hats off to them. And here I was, feeling embarrassed of myself. That day I realized one thing, that coming and climbing to Vaishno Devi is not something you can do on your own. It's God's plan and wish that you can trek the distance. Finally, after about 8 hours when we reached, although the distance was just about 3.5 hours, I was feeling as if I've conquered Mount Everest. And there we all got ambrosia, which was a wonderful feeling, truly blessed. Overall, it was certainly a great experience wherein my illusion, my overconfidence of being fit like a fiddle was busted. Now, part 3. What outdoor activities do people like? There are a plethora of them which people may be passionate about, as it is the personal choice. However, I strongly believe, considering self and my friends around, that trekking and paragliding should be the one. Second question is, what are the differences between outdoor activities children did in the past and now? Without a doubt, children in the past lived a golden period, what I feel, as they were free from the evils of cell phone. And there were activities such as cricket, hide and seek and rat-a-tat, to name a few. However, now when I look at today's generation, they're mostly glued to their cell phones courtesy pandemic, and max they play is cricket, that too on rare occasions. Third question, is leisure important for everyone? Everyone has the right to relax, and all have different ways to enjoy their life, as it not only releases the stress from work, studies or home chores, however also rejuvenates the individual. consequently increasing the efficiency. The concept of paid activities has also been introduced, in fact, by a couple of corporate houses where the employees are asked to take a break voluntarily as they believe it improves the performance to a large extent. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me, and please share the channel, like it, subscribe, and do press the bell icon. I'll be posting regular videos. Thank you so much for your time. Have a lovely day ahead.